What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started with today's unboxing, let me take a minute of your time to talk about the Metro membership. So those of you who do not know, I had launched the Metro membership in association with Main Street Marketplace, and that was specifically for all my subscribers so that you guys could get more opportunities and more chances at copying some nice sneakers at good prices, and not just that, a lot of weekly giveaways and stuff like that. So what happened with that is that it was fairly new for us and we did not expect a lot of traffic, but a lot of people came on and there were a lot of glitches. There were a lot of problems, like in description of the products, then in membership payments and blah blah blah, a lot of troubles like that. So in the past 5 to 6 weeks that we've been running the membership, we have kind of sorted all the issues out. So basically what that means is that everything is pretty much on track now and it is functioning the way it should have since day one. So nevertheless, in order to make up for that, we are doing something special for this week and for next week. So what we are doing this week is that we have a lot of Yeezy dropping in the steel section. By the way, the steel section goes live on Fridays at 11 p.m. So all of you who are members and subscribe will get access to that, and they'll all be available on first come first serve basis. Anyways, coming back, so we have a lot of Yeezys like the Cinders, the black ones and blah blah blah. There are a lot of them. I'll just show it to you on the screen. So we are giving all these Yeezys at a price of 9,999 only for the members. So if you haven't yet subscribed, then I suggest you click the link in description box below and check out the website, read everything about it. You will be able to see what things are going to be available in the steel section. You will be able to see what things are being given away and things like that. Talking about next week what we are doing is we're not going to be doing a steel section. Instead of that, we're going to drop a lot of new sneakers and clothing at retail prices. Yes, it's going to be a retail drop only. And so yeah, that's what we are trying to do in the next week. So what I want you guys to do is probably buy a weekly membership for this week, or I would honestly advise you to go for the monthly one, because this week is good, the next week is good, and the following weeks after that are also going to be special. Also, by the way, if you do not know and if you haven't watched the video where I explained the whole concept of Metro, if you do not win anything in the giveaway, or if you're not able to buy anything from the steel section, then you could probably use your membership amount to go and shop something from Main Street, and you will get that money as credit in your purchase. Thank you guys for again an awesome response on the previous video about top 5 sneakers under rupees 10,000. If you haven't watched that, then go watch that. We were also giving away one of those sneakers to one of you guys. So today is 18 November and we are going to announce the winner today. So to know about who's won the sneaker from that video, you have to go and check out Superkick's story probably in the evening today, where I will be announcing the winner. Alright, so I've already taken a lot of your time. So before we unbox that, I also have a few other things that I copped in the past couple of weeks and it was stuck for the longest time. Alright, so here we are back in the studio, and now for the last time, I swear to God, before we open this, let's put this aside and let me quickly show you some of the other things that I got, and then we will get back to opening this box. The first thing I got is this small box from Supreme that you can see. Let's quickly go ahead and open this up. This is the flask from Supreme, and as you can see, this is too tiny. I thought it's going to be like a normal size flask, but the best part about this is going to be that you could probably carry some of the things in this that you cannot at some of the places, you know. So it's going to be great for that. Let's put this aside. Now the next thing I got is this nice little plate from Supreme. This like it looks like a wall clock, but this is actually a dinner plate and in ceramic. So this is gonna go well on my table outside. Anyways, we'll see this in detail in my Hypebeast house tour video that is gonna be dropping soon, I promise. Apart from this, I got a shirt from Supreme, that is the Supreme receipt shirt. As you can see, it's in the form of a couple of receipts printed all over. just like the IKEA receipt rug that you had seen from Off-White. And that's about it. Oh yes, I forgot. I got a lot of new caps. Yes, I know now everyone is going to ask me when is the cap video coming out. So I promise it's going to come out probably by the end of this month. So I got a lot of new hats, and we'll do a video about my current cap collection, and also I will tell you about how you can buy new era hats and all of that, blah blah blah, maintaining the hat and how do you break in and all of those things. So if you are one of those who are waiting for that video, then please do comment below and let me know so that I get motivated to do it sooner. So these were the caps. Let's put them aside. And yeah, that's about it. I also got a few basics from the Adidas Pharrell drop. Nothing special. I'm not going to show you. There's a couple of shorts and this really nice quality t-shirt that I'm wearing. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's get back to the main unboxing for the video. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, this is a very plain and simple box. Pretty much as simple as the retail of these Yeezys are, that I'm going to tell you in a moment. So there's nothing on the box, absolutely nothing. It's a plain simple cardboard box with a barcode sticker over here and the sizing. Let it focus. Hello, did it focus? On my face. Okay, there it is. So yeah, now let's go ahead and open this up. So unlike other boxes, sorry, once again, one more thing. Unlike other boxes, this does not have a lid on top. This just unfolds it like this. Okay, so shall we open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's open it up. Wait, hold on. One moment. Moment you open the box, you see this foam writing on the inside of the box, which obviously shows that it is the foam runners. And let's open this up. I mean, get it out of the box. This is so f***ing light. It is so light. Anyways, so apart from that, you look inside the box and you get these details like the size tag and all of that. This one is in size UK 7. So basically, there's foam here and there's a runner here. So that's what the shoe is, the foam runner, right? And yeah, so the sizing, let's talk about the sizing first, which is the most important aspect of this. I've got it in a UK 7, and that is usually the size I wear in the 350 V2s. So definitely go with your 2 size, but the only thing better in this compared to that is it is way more roomier. No, it does not feel big. It is the right size, but it is way more roomier. So I kind of have a little bit of wide feet issues, which I'm not facing in these. So yeah, 2 size, and you can call it maybe probably a comfort fit in your 2 size. So go with that. So the retail price of these are about 75 USD, but they were extremely limited in the first time around when they released. So they're currently reselling for upwards of $500. Yes, I am one of those guys who paid that much money for basically Crocs. But trust me when I say they are extremely comfortable, super lightweight, and it's just too good. It's just too good on feet. Okay, now let's talk about some details. So as against the look, it is not really plasticky. In fact, it is not at all plasticky. When you look first, you feel like it's kind of plasticky, like those general Crocs that you get, but it's not. It's, I don't know what material is this, but you could literally squeeze it and nothing happens to it. I think it's just like foam, like hardened foam. I'm not very sure, and you can do anything with it. There is no creasing, there is nothing at all. I don't know about the cushioning as well, but it definitely does look like something close to Boost. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. So apart from that, like I said, it is literally featherweight, and when you put it on feet, you will not really understand that you have anything on your feet, and you will be shocked in fact to know that how comfortable you're feeling in them. So yeah, that's about it. Other than that, you will see a lot of accents with these cutouts, and I don't know why. That is probably for ventilation, so that you feel most comfortable that you could in these. So for those of you who are interested in these and are looking to probably try one out, no, you do not have to pay so much money for them because they will very soon be restocking in multiple other colorways. It just got delayed because of maybe the pandemic, I'm not sure, but we will see a lot of them coming out in multiple colorways, and the retail in India should be around 9 to 10,000 rupees if I'm not mistaken. Now before we end this video, let's go ahead and quickly see how you put them on and how they look on feet. So that's about it for today, and do let me know in the comments below what you feel about this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. अबे यार मैंने तीन बार बोल दिया कि before we unbox let's talk about this, before we unbox let's talk about that, और अभी मैंने फिर से बोला कि before we unbox let's talk about something else. I'm really sorry if you guys got bored. No, this was not an idea to clickbait you or make you go through all the video, but it just genuinely happened because I do not plan my videos now and I do it in a very natural format. So yeah, ठीक है यार, कोई बात नहीं.